hunting some bunnies in Coney Island because I seen them running around this car over there. Is that a bunny? There's a whole family of bunnies in the parking lot of Warbass just chilling. Do you people see this? Where do you get bunnies from in Coney Island? Bunnies, bunny rabbits, 3 of them. There's a white one, a brown one, and a black one. Just like the neighborhood. White, brown, and black. Bunny rabbits. Word up. Do people see this? I'm not even kidding. There's a brown bunny rabbit and a black one. Just chilling. Those are not cats, people. Those are bunnies. Do you see this? Just chilling. Not even like scared or nothing. There, he popped up. Bunny rabbits. What's up, bunny? Come here. They got scared. There he is. Bunny rabbits. There's the brown one. The brown one's hiding under the bench. Where'd they go? The disappearing bunny rabbits of Coney Island. This is just straight craziness. There they are. There's one. They're running away. Oh well. Signing out. Bunny rabbit hunting. Guess I'll get you next time.